disgusting to me. It's the first time I love this dog. I can't get it. The hell the shit? Steht live. Glaube ich. Oder nicht? Is the Livestream running? Oh my god, that's English. I think the Livestream's running here. That is a very good. Oh my god, that's English. Excuse me. Was, man kann Audioaufnahme bei Kommentaren machen?
Hello.
Ah, halt doch den Mund, hier ist schon wieder so saulaut. Kein Wunder, dass ich schon wieder schreien anfangen muss. So, jetzt mal du hier. Das Blödelfei. Ja, actually I don't can say it right now. Manipulating. And manipulating actually in a script. Man, it took so long for actually these description writing down and here and below and what kind of a day you have today? Optional say what kind of a CarX game that is. And got what? CarX Drift Racing Online is back in here, so I'm typing in this. Yeah. Since this weekend, no, since Monday, it's back again. Fucking 8, y'all. There's something running here. Is it the music? Yeah, it's definitely the music. No, now I can say it. Well, welcome back to CarX Part 2, and I think it's Part 336, right? And normally actually 336.2, but because I totally forgot my live stream was running as, but I sent it actually private because nobody wants to know actually the German talks and stuff. So yeah, welcome back actually to CarX again. Since a little break again because I think that yesterday was a kind of a Sunday. It was kind of these when at 3rd July actually the American half is a big day, for American, and so it wasn't like for German as well. Yesterday, kind of, I think Bavaria they just setting up actually getting some chainsaw and then just going into the into the forest and just cutting a tree or something actually around and just taking with and don't even ask actually the farmer, setting into a village or something and paint them weird, getting some companies on, not even actually from Bavaria, doing traditional hardcore beer drinking and then going home and slapping the old swag mother, What bullshit. Oh well. No. Alright, so yeah. Let me just get me actually the music in there and then let's get rise on. We have 16 o'clock 51 here right now. For the Americans actually it is kind of I have to think again. 4 o'clock and 51 PM. Right? Moving is running. As before, for a couple of 40 minutes or something ago, there was some special electric, of course, due nearby, final. And yeah, that's cool, that's good, And I didn't watch what kind of a cable he was connected with, what kind of depth, and I didn't learn something out of this situation anymore. Alright. Now I have the feeling what he's going through all the times when he comes to actually person like me or Beardo and just installing it and you talking over what you're doing all the times, you don't give a fuck. What the hell is that, Twice today I was getting manipulated, 3 times fucked up. Today was a shitty day and in the end, there was a happy end. The oven is running. And so we over an hour right now, and yeah, perfect. The first fishy is in there because some kind of the legendering, or the what's they calling in English? Seriously stinking. If you just, these 1 hour you have to run the oven by itself at 200 Celsius, and so yeah. Kind of a 320 degrees. And I was thinking of it, yeah, I was thinking. So it's stopping stinking, and now the fish is stinking, actually, you know, in the oven. So, done. Alright, 5 minutes. Regulated talk. Blah blah blah. Music. Down below in the description, there's actually these Gamesave as well in there. If you have, you know, stuff like that, you can go over 2 sides. The first side is actually the game tag, and the other one is the direct link for Mediafire. Enjoy. It's a little bit older to save right now, since a week ago or something I just made that, so I just made a little difference on the RAW situation, decal vinyls, you know, I just saw a little bit, I just did something on the cars, you know, especially on some suspension work for the new cars. Oh, well, you know, nothing special, but thanks anyway for the downloads. I think Mediafire just already say it is over by 160 or something. On the tag game it's just by 5 downloads. Yeah, so the direct downloads just get used. But anyway, thank you very much for that one. Beer first. My throat hurts a little bit today. I think my colleague just was getting infected me a little bit by his coughing. I'm not sure. Get throat problems since yesterday. Sunburned, tired, throat hurts, maybe too much not talking, too much talking, crying. This is Tuesday actually, there was the Bavaria versus Arsenal Real, or hold on, the Real Madrid. They was playing on soccer, and he was in the stadium. And after that game actually, he was getting a little in the situation. Not sure. Tschüss, hab keinen Pannerschwab, ist ja Lüse, Lüsgold, brauchst du die Schneck spielen. Aber nee, die hat keinen Bock, schon wieder das alles aufzuwischen. Music is a lot loud again. Yay! And well, be there actually greeting goes to Government and Mad for the Bad. Ah, not again. Cigarette? Yes, sir. Größte Pfeife war halt der Stani wieder. Ich komme auch gleich. Was hat er gemacht? Hinten hat er einen Container aufgelassen. Wenn ich so einen Kran habe ich noch wieder frei gemacht, das weiß ich noch. Zu fix, weil ich mir gedacht, nein, nicht, oder? Das kann jetzt nicht sein. Hat er das rumliegen lassen, die anderen 2 haben Kabel drum einfach offen liegen lassen und ich dachte, das ringt doch heute an, das hat gesagt, das ringt. Oh, egal. Gut, dass wir noch mal da waren. Bloß die soll irgendwie einfach mal liegen lassen, mal schauen, was passiert. Dass er sieht, dass doch irgendwie da was da hat. Dann hätte er einen Boden hinwerfen können auf den Dockerträger und dann draufwerfen können. Wurscht. Verfangen sie schon in der Baukram. What's with the car? Let me check me out of this crack. What do we have in here? Castle Road, yeah, let's go nice. Why not? Nighttime.頑張ります. That's fine, nice music. Oh, da hängt da unten schon wieder Staub dran, Alter, an dem Computer. Kann's nicht lassen, ne? Bläst du raus oder bläst du rein? Ja, ich glaube, das ist so ein Einbläser, was? Das ist ein Scheiß. Ja, Ofen wird schon zu brennen anfangen. Schauen wir mal. Nachher, gut. Jetzt ist vorbei. Ja, mit der Legierung habe ich schon gewusst, aber dass das wirklich 200 Grad und wow. Brenn weg, den Fetzen. Also gleich um 5:30 ist der Ding fertig. Der Fisch. Vamos. Ja, nix. Schon anders aus bei BMW. Less of that. Less of... Alright. I'm in a hurry today. Since the morning time I'm in a hurry. Yeah, it's like I'm going to the toilet right now as well, because maybe I have diarrhea in this crack. I'm not sure if this. Der Röstler. Jetzt ist er wird. Jetzt ist es sicher höchstwahrscheinlich, dass bei mir der Bude nicht brennt. Wenn irgendwas ist, weiß ich nix, Stift raus und gibt Gummi. Ah, ich meine Schaum. Pulver. Na, was ist das eigentlich noch? Ich hab nicht geschaut. Das ist mal jetzt zerrissen. Ich hab Face Sachen im Kopf, deswegen weiß ich so ein Wirrwarr. Aber ich weiß eigentlich, um was geht. Ich bin eine Katastrophe. Wenn mir nicht Leid und Hoffnung abgenommen wird. Also verbleibe ich einfach so wie ich bin. Kanaldeckel wieder drauf und lasse am Leben. Ich hab's bloß das Kabel da oben nicht durch, sonst hat er kein Licht auch nicht mehr. Ja, wir haben ja noch nichts gekriegt. Und da hat er schon da hängen. Wahrscheinlich kriegen wir erst im August oder so. Ist doch wurscht, da gibt's doch Apps in den Schmarrn. Heute haben sie mal aus Versehen einmal die Mülltonnen rausgestellt. Anscheinend schon gestern Abend. Ich hab bloß drauf gewartet, ob es einmal jemand wieder macht. Und die haben's gemacht. Also sind sie noch mit mir. Der Boys in der Hut. Der Boys in der Hut. So, what the hell? Ist der dem da nicht stehen können, wenn er jetzt nicht so trifft? Alter, der sagt nicht einmal an, dass er noch an ist. Ja, aber er tut was. Gefällt mir. Ah, hat er gesagt, er hat die Hosen eingeschissen. Hat er mal schnell, was soll ich mehr? Meine Jogginghosen ein bisschen schütteln, damit es unten ausläuft. Tadaimasu. Welcome back to CarX Part² Part 336. Ich hab kein Strafe, ist ja Lutz Gold bloß und die schnell geschaut. Na, da ist noch nicht eingespielt worden. It's up to the next car or something, this crack. Well, there's nothing else to do and deal and done here with this BMW. Freude am Fahren. How we keep this one in here? Oh, there's another one! There's so much to do! Yay! Okay, that car next save actually comes up. Next vehicle. What the hell is that? P31, P30, Wütend, Pirate. Oh! Now I got it. Ah, I tricked myself. Here we go. Same company, right? That was the same company. Uh-huh. That's all the cars. That makes sense. What happened? Were you cracking? Why was it cracking? Hold on. Easy. Nope. Another BMW. Okay. Check it out. I say we wanna check it out. No freezing up in here. Is that a new vehicle? Didn't have to deal done something in here. Yes, oh, there's a beginner! What a fine ass song. Just want to share actually these kind of updated UDAV Nation CarX D.R.O 2023 soundtrack, or better say OS, but actually came so many funk music in there with. So, hold on a second. Wie ging das nochmal, damit ich auch, okay. Here we go, just actually sending here the title.
URL.
Can I do it? Oh, let's just say like that one. You can change it. Did I? It changed. Oh my god. The most music came actually from last year.
CarX D.R.O 2024.
Yeah, 2024. Okay, whatever. That's the girl from the PlayStation 4 Pro out or whatever. I just changed from 2023 to 2024. You're an asshole, you know that? Okay. Because I'm updating mostly every day or mostly every week 10 songs or something. Whatever. Tschüss aber. Okay, bye. Das Strawberry und Salus und Lutz Gold Brot, die ich nicht spielen. Oder auch nicht. We'll be there. Nobody knows. Is the car so noisy? Holy crack! Oh, the music is just a little pissed off. Okay, here we go. music is not noisy enough. That's better. Check my car out! Zombie folk! Oh, hell no! Easy, where are you going? Where are you going? Making pictures, sir? Making pictures? You have rights to do that. Where's your lens going? Are you from the CIA? You're making pictures from over there? Let's see what's going over there up. Maybe having something dealing down there? Nothing. The shutter's on. What the hell is wrong with that person? Just kidding. Hello again, sir. What is wrong with you? What kind of nudity pictures you making up? Oh, crack, the zombie suit has opened. And they open or something. Is that your cell phone, sir? Oh my god, look at that. Is that your cell phone? So you cell phonating, but the cell phone is over here. Very interesting. Okay. Early the time in the 80s, 90s, they're having beepers, you know, or something. You just scroll me? Yes, you scroll me. You got my cell phone? Yes, I got your cell phone. Hell no! Oh, what happened? Who the heck is that? Let's follow him. Quick, fast, escape from that weirdo persons. Next. Sorry, sometimes I'm swagging a little bit. Yeah, I'm just chilling. This is just a chill session, nothing more. That's why I'm drinking tequila and a little beer and just having a nice day, afternoon, like, before the next day coming up as construction worker. Oh, sometimes I open up the calendar from a long time ago with the haughty girls and saying, God dang, that was a time, right? That can't make me my girl. Forget about it. Next vehicle. Honestly, I did do some work on the rims. I think that was a new project for a couple of months ago. Did I prove it? Alright, approved. Has not the D symbol on it. Oh well, Is it a lit? 96 Newton meters. Still on for the other one. Stupid cigarette. I can't talk actually at the same time when I have my cigarette on my left mouth system here. Calls lips. Now we got a blue screen. Or not, okay. The PlayStation 4 Pro is loading so fast, I can't even smoke a bit and then talk a bit, and then actually I'm waiting, like on the PlayStation 4, and then actually the loading was finished. You can't even take a dip of the beer and it's already loaded. Oh, what's wrong, mate? Are you looking so dull? Come up. Wake up, dude. Looks today a little bit fancy. As he was drinking yesterday. Yesterday I didn't drink. I was eating a lot, actually kind of 5 kilograms of salad with all vegetables in there, what I could find actually in my you know, fridge. He looks actually a little bit, yeah, as brought together actually a night, or maybe I didn't. I was sleeping 4 times yesterday, but he was sipping a lot. But that's why the tequila is so a little bit empty here. Let's see for the fish. Fishy gets bacon! Yay! Okay. Another 20 minutes, right? Yeah. 50 minutes. Oh, 50 minutes. Here we go. I was saying 6:30 o'clock. 17:15. Oh, let's structure side. Brain soup. Expect the unexpectable. As I was actually since years that the brain soup is coming anyway. So what was unexpectable then for that? Running out of tissues. Something like that. Snotting in the arms. Sorry, my English sucks today. Today was not a nice day. Completely in this direction, that direction. Let's go in here and fast there. And what the hell am I talking about? They coming not this week? Oh, come on! I was in a hurry up then. Clean the construction work and all this stuff. Gamarimas, cable out. Hold on a second. That earplugs. Oh, you don't want to be here. Your song. Come about that. Holy shit, the best on the equalizer I just did is so high in the earplugs. I can't hear shit from our car right now. What happened? Man, that is too rude. Hold on. God damn it. There we go. I got a system here right now for myself. And what we can do on the rims, the tires, the color, the tire color of the nose. It's, guess what? Yellow. So the whole belts actually, they are yellow inside. I know what kind of a color system I should gonna use on actually for the second color of all the car. happy. At the beginning the car was actually not working, but I was doing 180, but now it fits. That's cool. Alright. I have something in my mind. Oh, that's actually these, what was his name again from this game? Cyberpunk 20... blah 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 77 or something. I found finally some awesome soundtrack actually from this game. I put it in here, in the Spotify list. Let's color the car! Yeah. Put up the smoke. Why do we have to press X now? Oh, this is bullcrap. Yeah, then the dog. Oh, come on, the digital. This is bullcrap. Changed it. First it was L2, R2, now it's actually L3 and R3. Oh, come on, guys. So this is what I want. Oh, I can delete. Oh, they changed something here. The controls again. Oh, this is correct, mate. Nice to know. Change everything, mate. Also, we all can see. That I can actually enable that. Yeah, of course. Here you can see. Now come on, since they changed the UI here on the system here on the PlayStation, this is a bullcrap. So you have to press X instead of R2 now, and this is so. What the fuck is going on here? Done with that. Ja, da musst du echt schauen, was du jetzt treibst. Das ist ja so nervig. Now it's the D-pad. Oh, come on. What that just did. Get over here. Oh, this is so fucked up now. Let it be like it is. Nothing in blue, right? We have. Inside or outside? It's just. I can rescue that one in a bit. This is not golden enough then. Modern crackness. Should change maybe this crack. Oh. Oh, come on, this is so stupid made right now. This is not okay, what that just did. Then I don't see the yellow anymore. Ah. This is stupid. Well, why? What the hell is that? Let's take it outside, maybe just better than. No. Okay. Do it inside then. Extra dose outside. Alright. That looks better. You were not sure. Change me. I'm snotty as well today. Oh, Antinori. You don't have pipes in there? Hold on a sec. Safety pipes. Overall. Was missing. Thank you. Alright, that looks a bit better. Wasn't there? Hold on, maybe look at about the lights. Hold on, maybe I can change it a little bit here as well. Sometimes they're yellow as well, or just having colors. No? Oh, okay, shit. God damn it. There's nothing to change more. Shoot. Okay, I'm done. Let's get another one. Someday. Sometimes. Cigarette of this burning myself. So, next one. So, it's 70 o'clock and 27. 5 o'clock PM and 27. Need to watch actually something. Melvin. Are you still on fire? Oh, look at that fish. That looks great. Oh, finally a good oven. Already missed my old one. But it was a little bit broken. Was cooking actually only on the over... What's it calling? Down below was actually dead on the oven, right? The heater. Was actually cooking all the times inside. But up below. And the rest was actually dead. The plates was working, but... You can't cook actually a piece, or you can't cook nothing anymore. A bread or something, fish, nothing. It's stupid. You have to turn it twice. Okay, I'm done. Easy turning. Thank you very much. And it's off. Cool. There we go. After 16 years. Come on, what the hell? New oven. Nice. Set the fire turn. It didn't work. Oh yeah, there's no gas in there anymore. The other one wasn't work, right? Sometimes. Tschüss auf Kampagne, Strawberry City, so geht's bald kosten. Die Schneck spielen. Ah, vielleicht einmal nicht. Ah. Oh, 400 milliliter of beer. Hello? Gambatte! Put the yellow in the back. Well, it fits actually with the valve in the front. It's okay. I'm going to pee and actually grab me another beer, a colder one. Be right back. Thank you very much for watching a little while. Give me that beer. It's too warm. Give me that socks and underwear, goddammit. What you did in here? Going back off like it's all good now. What's auch nicht. Ich hab mir den Kaffee bei der Ewe schon gekriegt. Oder dann muss ich wahrscheinlich den 10er weitergeben. Spaltstoff, ey. Ich glaube schon, ja. Warte mal. Jetzt mal nicht schon lauter. Ja, hört sich auf jeden Fall so an. Yeah, finally, now, actually. There was a reduction of the noise outside, actually, inside. Overnight. Oha. Da war ich gerade auf Toilette. Ich probiert das seit morgen einmal. Verdammt, wird da unten zugesperrt. Damn it, there was a delivery I couldn't actually watch. My cell phone name was saying actually you have a call, and I was on toilet, so he called, was wrong on the way. God damn it, I hate that. There's a passage that was saying actually it's not right what I just done with this. Saying what the hell is going on? Why? But I got an idea. Special ROP system from actually some other peoples out there, helping a bit. God damn it! My chips are gone now. They just gone. Did we get killed here or something's cracked? Means free. You have to pay for this stuff like shit. What is wrong with this guys? I thought it's fitting. Give me the full list. Okay, that's an idea actually. Is that all? No ideas? Ah, come on! Seriously, no ideas for them? It shames me, seriously. The original crack they're making up. The car's not moving anymore, but actually still done with crack.
Huh. Lot to deal done with.
Yeah, definitely. Ja, wie ging das nochmal? Also das. Ah, fuck, wie ging das nochmal? Das ist löschen. Ah, wie ging das nochmal? Also man muss nochmal draufbleiben. Da steht die L2. Aber sind irgendwie so hier, so, zack, bumm. Und jetzt zack. Was denn Überrollbügel schon wieder? Also. Jetzt komm raus, du bist umzingelt. It's cracked, but you know, better than nothing. Are they originals? Not sure. Lost track. Changing vehicle. 60 minutes, that's an hour right now. Live streaming, right? Your passage. Just up campaign is shortly seduced, so let's go Prestige next stream. Come on, there's no space for vomit anymore. Little tequila. Looking at Gamma Mag, not to the bad. Ain't right. Tequila. Gibst du dir der Nacht? Du liegst wieder flach. Goodbye. So, ich glaube, ich muss halt schon wieder die zweite Flasche aufmachen. Kommt that engine is. I like that. Chevy stuff. Who are we dealing down in here? Booba coming back again. Suck up. Oh my gosh. Next vehicle. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. HWA rang, okay? What the hell? Made it just counted backwards. Saying rang A on the WA. H, I'm sorry. Get away, little fly. What the hell was that? Tried to get in my mouth. I know I'm drinking alcohol now. It's like actually the fruit flies, you know? Bastard, get away! The hell that, what that called? Deal dumb. Yeah, why not? Ah, I need a handkerchief now. Construction dust. Oh, is it? Brain soup. What happened? Not sure for that one. Bitte ganz weit weg von dem. Danke. Ach, die KI-generierte Message, oder wie sie das hasse, Alter, wenn die da quatschen anfangen. Das ist so dermaßen, das hörst du einfach noch raus. Let's off of the hilft nix. I just need a drink, haven't need a drink. Oh, the funk music is coming. The funk music is coming. There we go, right? I think there's no bad weather condition coming up anymore here, the area. Ah, little tip of tequila. Also doch mal hinbekommen haben. Was bei der Chevin oder vorne was das? Gabatte. Oh my god! Try to go left. yeah. We're not online now. 50k, but well, a fantastic car. I love it. Need to go to PV right back. Matta. What the hell would happen? Trying to dressing actually some weird stuff out of my butthole because doodle butter. What's going on in here? Oh, lovely, nice song. Taraimasu, by the way. There's dips in here. Yeah, here I just fucked up. No, fucked up song is coming up, right? Guess what? Or is it? Maybe. No? Is some song anyway coming out? Well, listen, good music right now. Spotify. Wow. Over down below, actually, in the description it says something actually on the definition. It just said you actually some songs actually on Spotify, but it's a whole playlist. Interest, get in there. Do not actually get my blah blah blah. Just get Spotify on. Enjoy actually by chilling up in here at all the time in the afternoon when I want. Kind of listen to the Spotify music playlist I sent you. Mute actually my live stream and enjoy. Because mostly actually the 100% I'm listening to Spotify, with earplugs, having a headset on, listen to the engine of the car. That's all. But then you understand what the hell I'm doing and dealing done in here. Boo. The combination makes it. My earplugs has just given me Spotify, what I just sent you actually in the playlist. Sorry, I have to say that again. At the same time I have headset on, so sometimes I can hear the engine of the car. Deliver you actually with the stuff of course this game. But sometimes people don't understand what I'm dealing with. Listen on actually the engine of the car. Just chilling out but drifting a bit. There's no nation flags on it. Oh, they are. I'm sorry. Hit it. Crack. Next vehicle, or shall we deal a bit? Yeah, we shall deal a bit with it. What we got? Nürburgring. Pacific Hills. Yay, nighttime. I hate you. I just did it again. Reverse. Are you bleeding there? Flying routine. Cheers up, companions. Robert Salute. So let's go to this next stream. Thank you very much for watching a lot. Or may not. I'm not begging for subscribes and I'm not begging for money because I don't need that stuff. I'm just a lousy motherfucking construction worker that living with mice and cocklocks and maybe flies together. So I'm good, I'm fine. Next day, next week, next year. Who cares if I'm not there anymore, you know, what the fuck? Just a lousy Bavarian German. Shut up. I think that the killer battle is over and out. Shift is over. Shift is over. Oh, don't be so sad, Mag. Komarimasu. Sidekick. The dark side. Ding dong. Won. I hate the reverse here at San Francisco. Always I'm losing. Doesn't matter what kind of a car makes more points and stuff. Just just the music here right now, the off in-game is just a little bit pissing me off. And at the same time, I'm listening to Spotify over the softcore, actually, that doesn't matter, I don't want to make a commercial here, sorry for that one. I'm just going to tell you my story here, that's all. And I don't care. Klammer auf, Klammer zu. Runter die Toilette. Bla, bla, bla. Next vehicle. And tequila I need. Let's grab some new tequila. Hey honey, what's going on, yeah? Or something for you. Want to play music with it? I don't think so. Cute tequila in white edition. Coming up. So. Oh, she's pissed. Oh, that bird. Nice travel. Ooh, Ice Cube. Limited edition. Not so important, but important. Importato. Next vehicle, please. Yeah, that tequila is a little bit aggressive. Thank you for your drift service. Drift service. Ooh, the Sterling. That tells stories. Especially Need for Speed. Nani? What happened? Oh, I only have one of these. I should take away actually this CarX symbol in here. Technology. Just kidding. Oh, you don't like that? Get on. Why is it on the sound device as well? Train hard. Yeah. Services command device. Rock. Oh, come on. Let's deal done with this crack. 7K, we coming. Little fruit fly, loved it. New tequila opened up, the fruit flies there. Hey, you can have a dip, but I hope you get drunk. And don't actually piss me off here a little while. Cheers up, compadres. Robin Saluto, Lutka, these next beam. Greetings going out to S and K. He gets actually 38 today. 1 year older than myself. Already have actually a company. Digging down, digging deep, in your pockets maybe as well. Yeah. Oh well, when they are happy, I already get a second child. And look at me, 1 year early actually born and stuff. I had nothing. Because I have no family, and that's the point. You got family, and another family, and stepmother and stuff. These swagger mothers or something. Swagger mother and swagger father. You know, my business and my earth, actually, I stand up. I just was growing up with 6 years. I just was working, starting up in the farmerhood working. Teach myself this English part, a bit Japanese, and all this stuff goes to the construction work and blah 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 here and there. Hobby is actually drifting, so actually rally. And I got nothing. Yeah. So beloved, actually since more than 20 years I found myself under the bridge already. So you can see whatever you want from me. I don't care. I wish my dad, actually I was 11 or something. I don't believe in God. I don't believe in hell. Because there is no God. There's no heaven, and there's no hell, and there's no Satan. If you don't believe that, but hell and heaven is actually earth. So that's why I don't believe on actually some religions. I'm with one, but this is actually kind of that they have to do dealing done too much with these children. They just you know, fucking religion, okay? Done. There's no religion for myself actually. I just was born into in this, you know, cause love, pedophile shit, you know, where I'm actually in this romantic Catholic shit. Normally I should get away. Sometimes I go to church, but that's actually for married. Somebody who's getting married or something, or somebody die. Or died, better say, in this time you go to church. But that's all. There's no God bless something else because there's no God. That's yourself. Your hands just made this up. Somebody else before in the past or actually in the future just made this up. You are the gods. We are the gods. We are Satan. We are just making everything, you know. So that's why I'm. What's with this Quran and all this stuff? Muslim, Satanism, believers in God and heaven. There's nothing actually. Nothing. 0 point dot dull. The sun actually burned out. Exploding, close to the exploding in a million years, maybe in the future. Star is our God, maybe. He's letting us alive. And Earth is hell already. Yeah, it is. I'm just a guy that just works the construction site, have no family, and just sometimes we connect each other, and that's why I don't have friends. I'm not a preacher, and I won't. Why? They must be taking drugs or something to be a preacher or making up a sect, something like Marilyn Manson's this crack. But Charles Manson, I mean, not Marilyn Manson, I'm sorry for that one. Yeah, Marilyn Manson makes all... You know, Marilyn Manson is maybe close to Manson, but whatever, not with these Manson, Charles Manson. No, I'm sorry for that one. Marilyn Manson is fine ass. Yeah, like Rammstein, right? Yeah. So fuck God, fuck hell. There's nothing you can believe. The only thing you can believe is in your family, friends, and your work. Making money in, and your future for yourself. Done. There's no God and there's no hell. If there's hell, I'm good with it. If there's actually heaven, I give a fuck with this shit. I just was so abused in my life so much, I give a fuck in heaven. They have no space actually for me anymore. Fuck the thematic. You only live once. Nobody knows. The only God that exists is you. You are the God. You are the devil. You made your day. Your decisions. But it's always like, you know, connected to each other or family or friends. And then they're calling you. You to hell. You to heaven. There's no afterlife. It's just bullshit. And I'm leaving. I'm going to the toilet. Again, because I'm an alcoholic if I'm home and drifting here, CarX D.R.O, Drift Racing Online. Sorry about that one. Who believes actually on God or hell, on the Satan? Have fun with it. Nothing happens. If your brain is dead, your brain and heart is dead. You're not actually coming back again. Believing on yourself, on your friends, on what's going on the next day. Done. Blah, blah, blah. Ich glaube, ich muss mal. Ernsthaft? Ich versuche jetzt wirklich zu pinkeln. Ach, that music ist einfach so fine ass. Haushalts, Löscheimer. How? Alt, Löscheimer. Oh my god. I just want to tell you, you live only once. Who tells you you live in a paradise? Who tells you you're going to hell because you don't believe in Quran or something crack, right? Nobody tells you that. Mostly I believe on extraterrestrials. Yes, they are true. Seriously, they are true. And why? Because how did you could build up with this kind of work tools and blah 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 here and there? This is so trustful. We're not the first humanity that just was on Earth. There was dinosaurs, and maybe before we was existing as well. But there was always these kind of comets, something came on Earth, especially Mr. Moon, just destroying so many skeleton and all these stuff before working for these kind of 250 million years ago. Made the Earth exist longer than you know. But now our sun system, better say the sun itself, is just trying to get actually dying. Here's enough about actually extraterrestrial experiments on the Earth planet. And now we come in again with the atomic bombs, or maybe the second or first generation when humanity. Meanwhile, actually the dinosaurs try to get actually finding place here on the planet. We just have enough from Earth. Maybe we are the last generation on Earth. Maybe they're trying actually to deal and done, actually planting something else like humanity, dinosaurs. Maybe they're planting something else. I'm not sure. Maybe some, you know, these extraterrestrials are still humans from kind of 50 million years ago. It just was getting away from us. Steam from Saturn or Jupiter, actually, so many elements, just flying away, light years away. Sometimes they, you know, sloppy was very sloppy, and just there was some UFO actually not coming with them, so they helped us for 50,000 years ago on this crack, and they just was dying. Because they have no fuel anymore or something from the UFO. Just, you know, sometimes they're falling down then. While still watching us, you know. And so these guys are not actually gods or something. They was maybe human as well. For a long, long, long time ago. But I don't believe that. But I believe for extraterrestrials, they were still actually humanity as well. Evolution, you know. But no proof. Only Area 51 maybe, but that was actually a long time ago, and America is just so much into that crack. But still, there are no extraterrestrial weapons or something the Americans bring out, so that was just a lie, a big lie. Just only testings after World War II and stuff like that shit. The extraterrestrials know what we should not bring into Earth to go make the Earthlings actually crazy. They're not retarded. It was always a plan D or E. Whatever. Believe whatever you want. I believe on nothing. You only now. And that's it. Or maybe yesterday. Yeah, I think yesterday. I can't remember. I was sitting, but I didn't yesterday. So, no, exactly. I just did actually yesterday. Nah, seriously, guys. This is bullshit. And that wasn't Jesus. He was actually like a Charles Manson, you know. Nothing more. Where comes the Quran? Where comes the Bible? Never know, right? They're just having rumors and that's all. If you can send you back in the past, maybe you just can, you know, give me a little information. Even can do with the mass hole and stuff like the shit. You're not coming back actually anymore anyway to tell us, because you're already dead. You maybe can go in the past, but you're not coming back to the future again. Your cells are totally dead. Tschüss, Abkampaner, Schwab, ist die Prost. Dat PsN Acc Kampai. Skull. Made a plate for 50 years ago. Too many video games. Yeah, games. Of course, 50 years ago. Video games with them fingers. Right hand, left hand. Shall we touch here? Shall we touch there? Sorry for that one. Hey, I got a good idea for a book. Yeah. That wine from Italy was very fine for 5,000 years ago. I'm a little seeing stuff nobody sees. Okay, blah blah blah. Gambar mas. Oh, crack. Where's the 50k? No, I didn't speculate it on this. We're saying, oh, come on, look at that, 40k already. Can we do it on 50k? Damn it. Fine ass car. Sorted Martin. Already bought off the half, actually, yeah. Tax and all this stuff. from BMW. Was a holdings, but a holding 50k. There must be actually 62% just BMW just bought it off. Like Bentley and a little bit Jaguar, Mini, 100 plus. It doesn't matter. I failed. Oh, is it actually Mercedes? Just bought off that. Not sure. Everybody bought off something. I don't care. Fulfilled manager shit. They're already 70 years old. Just giving away the money from nowhere. Called keep it actually for yourself. Or to his, you know, ancestors. The future. I'm sorry, I was standing in front of the toilet trying to pee again. Chưa tất cả những mà rất tuyệt vời. What is the Anniversity here this? What does she have to do? It's what they are. What do they need to check the machine there? So you did it, that's not how you check up the I don't care. Let's go online with a vehicle. Minäkö tässä online koteilla?
Ganbarimasu.
Train hard instead of trying hard. That music is coming back sooner enough. Tadaimasu. I wasn't peeing, I'm sorry for that one. Woo! That music is nice. What's protection? Projection. Oh, come on. Alright, why not? Looks small, makes points, I'm not sure. The deal done with it.
Hello.
A 2.7. Okay. What happened here? I am not giving you up. Last try, then let's go online actually with another vehicle. I don't want to quit this K car. Gibt schon wieder der Pelz am Haar. Hey, this is nothing. God damn it. Boah, was kommt denn da raus? Kieselstein oder was? Boah. Kein Wunder, dass ich nicht mehr schnaufen kann. Something for you guys out there. I need to bring actually some dinkle stones actually out of my nose. I'll be right back. Spotify, of course.
URL.
Drop peaks. Ah, shit, need to call my uncle. Well, we have 6 o'clock 35 p.m. We still have 1 hour left. That's cool. Oh, that's better now. Fucking construction site. It's just the chemicals you get run into in the nose. And you just get actually building up something. What the hell is going on? Cybermech, what's going on here? My God. What the hell are you doing? Answer the questions. They never come up anyway. Oh gosh, it's just the hair, right? Just making this crack. Here we go. Now he's looking fancy. Oh, too much fancy. Too much fancy. Okay, here we go. We're building up. Actually, Garvamag a little bit new. What is wrong with your fucking... Here we go. The biggest problem is just a microphone here. There's a PlayStation 4 microphone. Let's see what's going on in here. Looks crazy. Good. Oh, that looks good. Enjoy yourself, sir. That looks too much dough. Alright. Oh, that's better. Why is he so overscaled today? That's a good question. Hold on. Advanced settings. Okay, they're very loud. Camera. Oh, it's something the lightning today. That's crazy. What's the lightning so much in here? Brightness, contrast. Huh. What's going on if I'm just get it off? Hold on. Still working without light. Okay. What's going on in here? Holy shit, what's going on? Is this the outside light? Oh, today nothing's happened. I'm so aggressive actually with this technology today. What is wrong today? Is it the outside? Get over here! Is the lightning? Oh, that's better. Okay. Something's wrong sometimes with the lightning stuff. It's just a camera, just filthy. Oh, not sure. That's weird. It's an old PlayStation 4 camera. Maybe that's why. I'm not sure. Huh. Confusey. Let's make this done again. Camera settings. The brightness. It doesn't matter. Something is disturbing my camera. Ah, whatever. That's weird. Every day is another day. Like my drifting Every day is another day. Huh, weird. She's up campaign, so it's a loot, so let's go across this next beam. I just got another red one, sir. Okay. Who cares? Tequila. Cock! Look at that, nice one. I tripped once, I know, I'm sorry for that one. Watch it drive into the vehicle, that is just fail. It's a 41. Let's go online with this vehicle. Unexpected for other people's. Make the lives happier. Choose up companion for the little for the next stream. Becoming the second hour actually on live stream in 5 minutes. Let's go online. What the hell is that? Everything else? No more options for that one. Be sweet. Ah, come on. Everybody wants to beat me. Just 1.5 hours. Let's grab some beer. Pee off. Fishy's done. Wow, look at that. That's so sweet. Be right back in a half minute. high tower, my slow tower. Fitting all in. Look at that. That's cute. And still the fishy have no... I got a protection for you for flies. Here we go. That's cool. Yeah, the Pro League. Blah, blah, blah. My stomach says the same. Fishing! Just calling fishing! Leave me alone, I'm on the toilet! You prankcast och chapen, Reichschüsseln eller de omgivningstal. This is what I'm telling you. They're thinking all the time, these shitty cars are shitty cars. Of course my car is shitty. That's why I bring it in. But all the times these Nissan cars from Japan, they're thinking all the time they're the best. Well, they didn't testify my cars out. Every car is a wonderful feeling actually for your controller. So have fun with it. Down below the description actually for a save. You couldn't actually recognize, but you will. And have fun. But please, before you just done with this crack, get your save actually. Well, better you get your save actually on a dongle of USB and just save it actually on your desktop. And then download my save. Activate it in your console, PlayStation 4 or 5. Testifying it up before you get actually your save destroyed. But then you have an option that calls go back to your desktop, get it on a dongle USB save, and bring it back actually on your lousy PlayStation 4. Sorry. I have, you know, these reading descriptions. I'm sorry, my English sucks. I'm German. So don't worry. Everything is actually get it normalized, readable, and I think actually understandable when I try to deal down with it. Alright, what's first? They're already hating me for me. But having the key car in here. Maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see the haters. Hater just oh, he's gone. Why is Axel 135 and Brian are the blah 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 on blue? XDC, what XDS? Fuck this shit. Brings no points, brings no happiness. This is bullshit. Come with me or just let it be done off. You're making actually some points actually for your career. Oh, I still can move. Not anymore. Fucking PC, get away, you cheater. PC always cheating. Never forget that. What the fuck was that? Cheater. Is it undrivable? 30 seconds? Oh, come on. 8 seconds left. Holy shit, you have to be this fast. Okay. I can't beat you anyway, so fuck off. You PC. Oh my god, what's going on in here? Oh crap. So mostly the best then. I'm trying to drink, goddammit! Gotcha. I need a faster car. I'm totally wrong in here. Tschüss auf der Bahn, das strongest music, let's go put up die Steck spielen. Next. The smallest engine, right? I got the smallest engine and still can beat them. Of course, maybe people can beat me up at 20k or something. But the time is running. The time is ticking. And that's the biggest problem. No chance. What the fuck, he can do it? Oh my gosh. I want to see again. I have the smallest engine on all over the CarX. This is not fair. I'm totally wrong in here. I have no power. I'm not a quitter. Fine ass. Okay, my loss, and well, I can't deal down with any more of this shit. Not my day.
He's going aggressive.
Yeah, me too. Nobody likes it. I'm gone as well. Need to get a pee anyway. 1,700. Oh, come on, I can do a deal better with this bunch. Next vehicle. He proved actually very well in online mode. Yeah, that was fun. I love it. Give it a chance, you bastards of non-drift culture. They watching. Das ist ein guter Fisch. They don't like it. Oh, already uploaded. I'm sorry. All people are welcome to drive my vehicle. Oh, wir könnten unsere Eier kochen, oder? Tun wir alle in den großen Korb rein. Geil! Probieren wir gleich mal aus. Warte mal. Ich hab da nichts drin. Dann machst du 10 rein. Und dann machst du hier auch noch. Wo ist das denn? 10 auch noch rein. Warte, ich muss erstmal dieses Wasser erstmal. Mit oder ohne? Da machen wir jetzt mal mit Salz rein. Salz rein. Und da machen wir Öl rein. Ja, da bin ich immer gespannt. So, einmal. Wo ist der kleine Hund? Hallöchen. Und da machen wir jetzt auch mal, und zwar ohne Jodsalz rein. So, passt, mehr nicht. Kochen wir unsere Eier. Ja, endlich, oder? So, das ist jetzt... Ah, jetzt wird schwierig. Das ist unten, das ist oben. Also machen wir 5. Das ist unten 5. Okay. Rein mit den Eiern. Seit einer Woche warte ich schon darauf, dass ich die Eier kochen kann. Geil. Wie lange halten die noch? 16.05. 17.05. Passt. Alle 10 Eier schön da rein. So, mit Salz. Das machen wir am 15.05. Die passen schon rein. Die lassen wir einfach kochen, bis es einfach nicht mehr geht. So. Nummer 7, 8 und 9. Viel Spaß. So, und das ist jetzt das, was am 17. ohne Salz. Also, da bin ich mal gespannt. Keine Vikalien. Das ist schon mal echt wunderschön, oder? Das kommt aus Bayern. Da wo sie herkommen sollten. So, Nummer 5, 6, Nummer 7. Oh, der hat kein Space mehr. Nummer 8 hat schon Probleme. Oh, da müssen wir dich leider da reingeben. Na gut, egal. 20 Eier werden jetzt gekocht. 20 Minuten lang. So, brauche ich noch irgendwas machen? So, der ist da oben. Der ist da unten, richtig? Der ist da unten, der ist da unten, der ist da oben. Der ist da oben, genau. Nur diese 2. Okay, sollte wirken. Kalt, kalt, warm, warm, perfekt. Eier kochen, geil. Mit Jod und ohne Jod. Da bin ich mal gespannt. Ach, es ist eine Technik. So, und jetzt tun wir das mal auf Social Media. Ein bisschen liken. Giveaway. Das wie? Das mal mit hier teilen. Kopieren. Was beansprucht der so viel Kruzifix? Das ist ja Wahnsinn. Schaut eh keiner zu. Na, dann kann ich machen, was ich möchte. Ist immer so ein Abend, weißt. Keiner Interesse für irgendwas hat. Oder ein bisschen Englisch redest oder Deutsch, ist ja dich ein Scheißdreck. Geil. Passt. Musst du eine Rezension schreiben, oder? Ist die wirklich wichtig? Eigentlich schon, ne? Da macht das schaut eh keiner zu. Pick you something. Yay! It's my birthday! Tja, så kör vi. Ja, det är ibland. Ja, das ist immer diese. Ja, ist kein Deutsch. Ey. Wurde. stimmt nicht. Ich hab nochmal, ich habe was anderes geschrieben, aber noch fertig gedrückt. Ich hab einen ganz anderen Titel geschrieben, habe ich das so gesehen. Was schreibt denn dieses dämliche Google? Gut Deutsch, du schreibst das? Und Google so in der Richtung von, ach naja, die lassen es einfach bei. Ich habe da eigentlich eine andere Rezession geschrieben. Als ich es verbessern wollte, war ich schon so dick. Lösche es einfach wieder. Oh, es wurde geändert. Na Gott sei Dank. Kann ich nicht blöd sein. Diese Rechtschreib-Scheiße da, Alter, was da mitgeht, Alter. Zum Arsch, Alter. Du schreibst du was, dann ändert sich der ganze Müll. Nicht fair. So, jetzt bin ich wieder da. Jetzt habe ich den Fisch auch schon aufgegessen. Die Eier sind gekocht. Wortwörtlich. Kann ich wieder Brot machen, oder? Wieder eine Wurde oder was? Kriegen wir hin. Weg da. Ja. Da weißt du Christian auch genau wie du da und etc. Weißt du, wie ich meine? Mir egal. Ausstehend. Habe ich schon gegessen, als ich das geschrieben habe. Ist ja gut. Tadaimasu. A record of 12k, we just already did actually for 4 months ago. Rapid I will template. I teach you I don't want to use anymore. 11.410. Let's see if we can beat that. Top product. Next vehicle. Nobody likes it. Ich habe keinen Plan, wo der wohnt. Ah, schon wieder. Und drum wird er nie gestoßen, das sage ich dir gleich. So I need to actually sort my eggs. So be right back. Into a package. Ah, so it's cruel. Those are very hard. How hard are they? Almost did I like it actually got in the fridge, holding for weeks long. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh, my fingers are burning. Oh. Finally I can cook again. There was a fish. Yay! Thank you very much. I don't company, but thanks very lot. After more than a week, I can cook again, and I like cooking. Even I'm single, yes, and I find a little time actually as a construction worker to find done actually cooking. Oh, these the other 2 acts? You're thinking I forgot ya? And the other 10 acts now? Don't go together. Oh. Not none of the acts just bluestered up. Hot. Number 20. Done. Yay! And getting into the fridge. May I want to eat actually 1 or 2 of these. Definitely actually tonight. Oh. Where's your cat? Just kidding. Ah, let's go to the toilet and pee off. Oh, Oh, it just was actually close to sleep away, actually, in toilet. Oh, there's something going through my mind all the time. You know, these guys actually having fantasies and, well, crack. No, since yesterday my stomach hurts. It must be the salad. I was eating too much salad. Oh, that's good. Maybe diarrhea or something stopping. I was with the music actually into some future dream and never happened anyway, so sorry for that one. Captured away. Oh, it must be actually these weird electronic music from Cyberpunk 2077. Oh, still my God damn it, there's something wrong. What is up on the side? You got your, what's it calling? If you're eating too many vegetables on this crack, just get it away. These part of your colon. I think that's the word. Sorry, I'm German. It's on the other side. It feels like actually something is in there. I think I'm warm or something. The cluster warm from what's just eating with me. No, I'm not sure what it is. It hurts. I'm just dying. Yes, I am. Should I do? Yes, I am. Nobody cares. I don't know. Seriously, my life is just born for work. Nothing more, nothing else. Done. Give me a little space actually for drinking beer and have my last days off. That's it. I just want. I'm a Pisces. Wo ist denn dein Radio eigentlich? Die Mucke, ne? Krank. Radline. Cheers up, campaigners. Robbie Salute, Salute, Gold, PsN Acc DefRekka. Taraimas, by the way. It's already the third hour on the live stream, close to 20 o'clock. 8 o'clock p.m. here in Bavaria, Germany. I feel good, I feel fine, I'm not drunk. Not even half danger about this. Just eating nearby as well. Making some hiccups now. Burp. Can you reproduce actually that face somehow in your car? No. It's mostly impossible. And I'm working hard for everything like this shit. It's not possible. But looks good. Future style. Shipped. Cyberpunk stuff. But I can't. And then the car is driving and drifting shit. I wish I can do. You're talking about something about blastering you don't can do done. What happened to your home? You know, I need a ride. Check me out then. Think it has a problem? The only problem is that I don't have a ride.頑張ります. Every car tonight needs to deal done with this. Is it Grinch? Oh, not Grinch. 122 cars, or what was it again? Oh crap. I need you in the live stream. Crap. Can I hold it down by myself? Nobody's watching anyway. Is it called Arena? Arena. West Coast Arena.